Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the meaning and usage of the phrasal verb look after. You know the word look. Do you know the word look after? See, look means to turn your eyes in a particular direction in order to pay attention to somebody or something. But look after yourself. Look after somebody. What do you mean by look after? Look at this example. Don't worry about me. I can look after myself. What does it mean? It means I don't need any help. Look after means to take care of someone or something and make certain that they have everything they need. This phrasal verb is used when a person makes sure that someone or something is safe and well. Look after means you look after someone or something by doing what is needed to keep or in good condition. You can look after another person or yourself. Look at this example. You are pregnant. You should look after yourself more. It means you should take care of yourself more. So, look after means take care of someone or something.